Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on Is ConvertKit Good for Beginners? It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. ConvertKit has a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate, even for those new to email marketing. Its dashboard is straightforward, with accessible options to create forms, landing pages, and email sequences without needing technical skills. ConvertKit simplifies the process of setting up email automation with its visual automation builder. For beginners who want to segment their audience and send targeted emails, ConvertKit's tagging system is simple but powerful. You can easily categorize subscribers based on their activity or interest, which makes personalized email marketing easier. ConvertKit has a free plan up to 1,000 subscribers, which is great for beginners who want to test the platform before committing to a paid plan. However, ConvertKit does not offer advanced features like deep CRM integration or A/B testing in its free plan, which might be a consideration as you grow. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.